Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this time we are going to make the short labial bow which is used in the orthodontic treatments. So let's start it. So first we will divide the central incisor into three parts, that is cervical, middle and incisal, and then we will extend the first line, draw the line till the canines. Then similarly we will divide the canine vertically into three parts, mesial, middle and distal. See to it that the right angle is formed at the intersection of the vertical and horizontal lines. So here we are using the 21 gauge stainless steel wire. So first make the wire curved in the center. Press with the fingers and try to give shape of the arch as shown. Check that the wire should touch the most prominent surfaces of the tooth. Hold the wire on the line and mark a point on the intersection of the lines, that is on the mesiobuccal line. So here mark the point. After this, hold the wire at the point we have marked and make the rest of the wire straight, that is from the end portions. So again hold at the point and give 90-degree bend to it. Note that the bend should be exactly 90-degree. So keep it on the cast and check. We have to keep checking regularly so that there would be no mistakes. So after this we will mark a point on the cervical portion of the canine, that is on the lowermost portion of the canine. Mark the point, and so here we will hold the wire at the little below the point we have marked and give the bend on the round portion of the universal plier. It should form a U loop. Remember that the loop should be 2 to 3 mm below the cervical line of the canine. So here we have to just mark the point at the cervical line, hold the wire a little below the point and just make a loop. The loop should be 2 to 3 mm below it. See to it that our wire is following whatever we have marked. 90-degree angle should be sharp, the loop should be 2 to 3 mm below the cervical line, and now the wire should go through the embrasures between the canine and the first premolar. You can see how it's passing between the two teeth. Mark the point at the contact point from where we have to give the bend. So hold the wire and give 90-degree bend at the point we have marked. You can hold slightly 1 mm above the point we have marked, so that when we bend, it forms an exact angle at the point we have marked. So you can see here that our bow is properly fitting through the embrasures. So again, mark the points from where you have to give the bends and try to adapt it as much as possible. Adapt to the cast. So you can see here it is almost adapted to the cast. So at the end we will make the tag arms. Hold with the tip of the universal plier and make it round. Make it half circle and just compress the wire. The small tags will be formed. So here the tags are being formed. Adapt it to the cast. So just have a proper look if our bow is properly adapted or not. Check if it's touching the prominent surfaces of the tooth, because that is the main portion. So this was the video on the short labial bow. Hope this video helped you. Subscribe to the channel for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.